Hey everyone, welcome back. And for those who are new to my channel, you are welcome here. For today's DIY, I will share with you how I made this fun and easy DIY using Dollar Tree items. So if you like this project, keep on watching. I grabbed two shadow boxes and chopping mats at Dollar Tree. To remove the glass, I used the scissors to pull out the glue. To make the shadow box, I attached the two frames together using E6000 and hot glue to secure it more. I securely attached the chopping mats and shadow box using E6000 and hot glue so that the pebbles will not come out. Then I let it dry for 3 hours. Once the glue is dry, I started putting some nails and I cannot find my hammer, so I'm using the tool that I have on hand. It works. Dollar Tree carries some fairy lights. I don't have it in my area, so I'm using the one that I have on hand. And I'm also using this hot glue to poke and make a hole on the mats. It's time to put our pebbles. You can choose any color that you like. And I'm so happy that the pebbles are not coming out because remember, we sealed it properly using E6000 and hot glue. And we also dried it for a long time. I want to cover my shadow box with this craft paper that I've got from Joann's, and I cut it into strips. This is optional, you can paint it or you can just add some ribbons. Then I just arranged my succulent plant that I've got from Dollar Tree. The one that's dangling is from IKEA. I'm hiding the battery pack inside the planter. Then voila, we're done. I also made another one using the white rectangular shadow box. It's the same process but I used 3 boxes. Let's proceed to the other DIY. We will be using this craft paper from Joann's and floral foam from Dollar Tree. I just traced and cut 6 pieces. We will cover our floral foam using the craft paper, so I'm measuring the thickness of the floral foam. Then I just used hot glue to attach our paper. I can't find some wood craft that's good for this project in our Dollar Tree, so I just pick up some sticks in our backyard. I'm marking 2 inches and we need 7 pieces. And we are cutting the sticks using a pair of loppers. Then we are ready to connect our floral foam. I used 4 sticks on the first layer and then 3 sticks on top. And this is our finished product. It's very sturdy and we are ready to put our succulent plants. I really love how it turned out. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what do you think of these projects. And for those who are new to my channel, you are welcome here. I would love you to be a part of the Harts family. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you are not going to miss out. And thank you to all of my amazing subscribers. See you on my next DIY. Bye bye. Take care.